Hey, YouTube family. It is your girl, Ebony Cruz from success@ebonycruz.com. So real quick, I want to do an unboxing of a new microphone that I received. And it's also pretty great for your podcast recording, all right? This is the NT USB Mini, all right? This is the Rode. Are you ready for this microphone unboxing? And I'm actually using it right now. So in one of my podcasts, I talked about the mic that you need when shooting podcasts, right? And before, I had one that was pretty decent. It helped me get along the way. But as you build, as you grow, of course, you want to build and grow your equipment. So this particular bad boy is studio quality, and it does have the headphone output in it, okay? You see this? But the other thing that I do love about it is that it is a USB connector. So if you can see behind me, it is actually connected to Audacity, one of the softwares that I use as far as recording my podcast and editing. It is recorded right now, and I'm not heavy on top of it, right? You can see the volumes, the monitoring system. So I'm not too close to it, but it's actually giving me great sound from it. The other thing that I do love about this particular mic is that it can disconnect. You see that? I can walk around like I'm at the MTV Music Awards. But as you see, the closer that I got to me, if you're looking at the screen here, my levels have gone up, right? Because I'm much closer to it. So I love that about it. It is a plug and play system. Plug and play. So once you get your box, it doesn't come with all of the gadgets, all of the tools and etc. You just actually plug in, play. And right now, my engineer, we are dual listening, monitoring the sound. He's listening with his headphone output, and I have mine as well. And then we're plugged right on into the computer. All right. So if you're looking for something that is super easy, super simple to get going as far as starting your podcast, I highly recommend this. Do not use some of the other mics that I have with my trial and error, but it also depends on your budget. Now, the link is in the description. You can go ahead and cop this bad boy for yourself and get going, and tell me what you think about it. Also, if you're shooting podcasts, tell me below in the comments, what mics are you using? What software and systems are you using to shoot your podcast? Until next video, let's keep on guiding this cruise right on into success.